In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable Wix POS for in-person sales. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Wix account. From there, open your website dashboard so you can access the tools needed to manage in-person payments. Once you are in the dashboard, look to the menu on the left side of the screen and click Getting Paid. This section is where you can manage payment options and access the point-of-sale checkout area for in-person transactions. After that, select POS Checkout. This will open the checkout interface where you can build an order for your customer. In the Products tab, you will be able to browse through your available items or use the search feature to find a specific product more quickly. When you find the product you want to sell, click Add next to it. The item will appear in the checkout panel on the right side of the screen. If your customer wants to purchase more than one item, repeat the same process and add each additional product as needed. This allows you to build the full order before moving to payment. If you are not charging for a listed product and instead need to enter a one-time amount, switch to the Custom Charge tab. In that section, type in the custom charge amount you want to collect. This is useful when you need flexibility beyond the products already listed in your catalog. Once all products or custom charges have been added, review the checkout panel on the right. Take a moment to confirm that the order details are correct, including the selected items and any custom amount entered. This helps make sure the customer is charged the correct total before you continue. When everything looks correct, click Charge. Wix will then move you into the payment step, where you can complete the transaction using the available payment method. Follow the prompts on screen to finish the sale. After the payment has been completed, it is a good idea to confirm that the transaction was properly recorded. To do this, go to Sales and then open Orders. There you should see the completed transaction listed in your order history. This lets you verify that the in-person sale was processed successfully. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.